Welcome back to Apex Motors Car Fire. Today we are looking at something absolutely insane, the Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 military survival truck, a futuristic off-road monster built for extreme conditions, war-zone terrain, and survival missions where normal vehicles simply cannot survive. Just imagine a machine that is not designed for roads, but designed for deserts, mountains, snowstorms, and the harshest environments on Earth. That is exactly what this beast represents. This truck immediately grabs attention with its olive drab military camouflage finish, giving it a pure tactical and aggressive identity. The body is fully armored, designed like a mobile fortress rather than a normal vehicle. Every angle of its exterior screams strength, durability, and purpose. The front design is especially powerful, with a wide aggressive stance, sharp futuristic headlights, and a reinforced bumper that looks ready for impact in any situation. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a battle machine built for survival. Now the most insane part, the wheel system. The Toyota Thunderbone features a 12x12 XL wheel configuration, meaning massive heavy-duty off-road tires designed for extreme terrain domination. These wheels are not just for styling, they are built for performance in the most brutal environments. Whether it's deep mud, rocky mountains, sand dunes, or icy roads, this machine is engineered to keep moving without losing control. The suspension system is equally powerful, built to absorb extreme shocks and maintain balance even on the worst terrain conditions. From the side view, the truck looks even more intimidating. The armored plating runs across the entire body like a shield, giving it a military-grade survival structure. The design is sharp, futuristic, and highly functional. There is no unnecessary detail, everything exists for a reason. The massive size of this vehicle dominates the space around it, making it look like a next-generation military expedition machine ready for deployment. The camouflage paint blends perfectly with its rugged personality, making it feel like a hidden weapon on wheels. Step inside, and the experience completely changes but still stays powerful. The interior of the Thunderbone is designed like a military command cockpit, not a luxury cabin. You are greeted with advanced digital dashboards, futuristic HUD-style displays, and tactical control systems built for mission-based driving. Every button, screen, and control is placed for precision and survival functionality. The steering and control system feels heavy-duty and professional, built for drivers who need full command over extreme environments. Even the seating is reinforced for long missions, ensuring durability and comfort under pressure. Moving to the rear, the design continues the same military survival theme. The back structure is heavily armored with a strong cargo system designed for equipment, supplies, or expedition gear. The futuristic taillights add a modern touch, but everything still stays functional and rugged. The suspension system is clearly visible, showing just how powerful and complex this machine is underneath. The rear is not about style, it is about strength, support, and endurance. Overall, the Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 military survival truck is not just a concept vehicle, it represents a vision of the future of extreme mobility. It combines military-grade engineering, futuristic design, and off-road dominance into one unstoppable machine. This is the kind of vehicle that could operate in disaster zones, military missions, rescue operations, and extreme exploration environments where normal vehicles fail completely. It pushes imagination beyond limits and shows what the future of survival vehicles could look like. A machine built not for comfort, not for luxury, but for pure endurance, power, and survival capability. So now the question is simple: would you trust a machine like this in the real world? If you enjoyed this deep look into the Toyota Thunderbone 12x12, make sure to like, subscribe, and join Apex Motors for more insane futuristic vehicle concepts and reviews. Because here, we don't just show vehicles, we explore the future of machines. Carfire.